Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Through this video, we will continue our journey of learning basic vocabulary in the Kashmiri language. However, if you have not checked out our earlier videos that have been published already, do consider checking them out by following the link under the description of this video. Remember, all you have to do is to repeat after me when I speak the Kashmiri words that are highlighted in red color in the slide. Let's get started. Chon, chon, to drink. Chunki, chunki, because. Chuik, chuik, wooden bench or an octroi-post. Remember, chuik can be used for two different situations. Chonkravun, chonkravun, to squeeze or exert pressure upon. Chonch, chonch, ladle. Chon, chon, yours. Sometimes we also say chon, which means someone has drunk something. Chor, chor, stupid. Char, char, to tighten or to pressurize. Chorus, chorus, a square or an even level. Sometimes a rectangular shape is also called as chorus in Kashmiri. Chudir, chudir, leader or a title given to the landlord. Let's repeat all these words. Chon, chunki, chuik, chonkravun, chonche, chon, chor, char, chorus, chudir.